thickly traded.
And then looking for the second attempt at 6.
Pull back and hold 550. Yes. Just kind of bounced off it. That was a nice dip.
So we're going to
Hey,
watch
can you
this
hear me?
1 minute pullback here.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Oh, I got in at 390, bro.
Damn.
I'm up 1800 right now.
Holy shit, dude.
My freaking Weeble account, the PDT, the margin. They're like, you need to deposit 3,000 for a 25 pattern day trader or do
We're
$180,000.
watching
I
here.
was like, what the fudge?
Added back at 85. Now looking for that pop through 95.
Pop. There it is. 6. We tapped 6.
So watching over $6. And then looking for acceleration up to 650.
Yo, let's go.
So now watching 610. Adding up here, 605.
Let's
Holy.
go, dude.
So watching. Next level 615, 625. Watching up here. Looking for this to pull away. So 625 is next add spot. Added right there. Now looking for acceleration up to 650.
That was insane. That was just not a great setup. Like, it was just hard to know when to get in there.
Right.
There was no, like, setup on the chart. A little rough. First 1 minute candle make a new high resolved, but it was very hard to trust. It would dip below 6.
Letting it dip down.
That would have been a nice dip right there. Dip trade.
You looking at the 10-second?
So we are a little heavy up here.
The level 2, but
Level 2.
also the 10-second.
MEX popping up. Oh, dude. There's some acceleration right there. Here we go. Here we go. Another leg higher.
Damn, man. That was weird. I was reading the
Bro,
chat.
this
I
is
wasn't
pro,
watching.
bro.
I tried to get in, but my order got skipped.
Damn. I freaking hate
Yeah, it's fine.
the mid order. I wish we could market order and pre-market, bro.
I mean, I just set my order too low. Okay, so that was not great. A little false
Get back to
breakout there.
20. Dropping.
Pulling back, pulling back.
Pulling back, pulling back.
Dropping really far. Jeez.
Ooh, coming up.
This is a difficult one to trade, to be honest. I mean, Ross has traded thousands of shares already, and he's up $400.
Oh,
Not much.
400.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if this is gonna go higher if it touches the 1 minute EMA. Let me check my MACD real quick.
MACD's open. Yeah, MACD's open. It could pull back to the 90 MA. That'd be nice for support. It's just hard to trust it in this area now because, yeah, we're extended. And it's just like yesterday where this had a lot of topping tails. And it's thickly traded.
Yeah.
It's just very hard to take big size and win.
So letting it pull back.
Did he just put on a shirt? Or...
Did he put it in his lucky shirt?
No, not his lucky shirt. This is pulling back quite hard. So we got declining volume. We got declining volume. Tweezer top there, a couple false breakouts. It's going to be hard to trust unless it gets back over that level.
What the
Because this is looking a lot like a head and shoulders pattern right now. So
on the 1
shorts
minute?
may get confident. Yeah, on the 1 minute. So we may have another little pop here, which will result in another move lower. So you got to be careful right here because this could be a head and shoulders setup to trap longs.
People just taking profit right now, bro. Five-minute looks good.
So I'd want to see it get back above, like into the high sixes, and see a move towards 650. See some acceleration to break this head and shoulders pattern.
Step out these shorts. Let me see what the short position is on Weeble.
So we may have some consolidation, and then move lower, or you can keep going higher.
Oh my gosh, bro. Short interest,
Back above
days
6.
to cover is 1. We got about 250,000 in short interest. No, 390, March 31st. This could be a run.
See, rough. Higher risk of false breakouts because the topping tails, and now I think we might get a head and shoulders because that was pretty rough.
The 5-minute looks decent still. Bless you.
Thanks. Bird. MACD's about to go negative. Shorts are probably smiling. Grinning even. Okay. Anything that happens from here on out, I'm not going to trade it anyway because it's too risky.
It's tapping here. MACD's tapping.
Tapping. It's probably going to flush. It's probably going to go. It's going to give.
I don't know,
I
dude.
think.
It looks pretty kind of bullish.
It looks like an upward trend, but it also looks like a head and shoulders. Like shorts are going to get ready. Oh, we just broke that low. See that?
Yeah, we did. What is that? That 551 low?
I don't know, just the low of those candles from before.
Oh, it just came back up. MACD's playing with
It did this yesterday where it
Bottom of the hour.
like came back up.
NYSC is pulling back here a little bit.
It is below the 9 EMA.
Yeah. Sucks.
Not really interested in trading continuation on Bird.
Why not? But
Ooh, that's a strong buy right there.
I didn't even get any trades on it, but I'm not really upset. The patterns were not clean.
Yeah, I wouldn't even know where to get into, honestly. It hasn't broken this trend line on the 1 minute chart.
I didn't even get any trades on it, but I'm not really upset. The patterns were not clean.
Yeah, I wouldn't even know where to get into, honestly. Yeah, it's
It
not
hasn't
moving.
broken
This trend line on the 1 minute chart.
I didn't even get any trades on it, but I'm not really upset. The patterns were not clean.
Got my finger on the trigger there. Bro, did you hear my mantra?
The big sellers I usually see on the level 2. I don't notice big sellers on the tape. I notice them on the level 2.
A&L. Yo, about to break. Push in. It didn't make it. What the freak? It needs to break this 575 right now. Can't even do that. What the freak? There we go. Here we go, baby. Come on. And a higher candle there. MACD still negative. Yo. Looking to look for that 1 minute chart there. Come on, baby, push. Volume's growing. Yo, here we go. Just broke the trend line there. Needs to make a new high right here. Come on. Dang, okay. Here we go. Yo, let's go, bro. It's popping.
Back.
MACD curls.
Let's come back up to 6.
It's curling. Let's go, bro. Holy shit, bro. Let's go.
I don't know.
592.
I don't know. I don't trust it really. I just want to wait for it to pull away.
Ooh, bullish
Almost.
there. Or that's a bearish candle there.
Yeah.
Where my buyers at? Where are my buyers at? I'm all out at 505 if it drops to 505. I think it's trying to set up for a new high. That that triangle, that flag pattern right here is forming. Looks pretty good. Yo, let's go. Come on. Come on, baby.
What was all that noise?
Alright.
Oh,
Trying to
bullshit.
see.
What caps?
What is it? ANL? AEHR? Caps?
Dude,
Caps is moving.
little penny mover. I might just low key buy.
What's the news on it?
Nice, Forrest. Good job. I will help you.
Wow.
What?
Just caps moving. This one's crazy. We got a lot of momentum today and yesterday, but
What is caps?
oh my gosh.
What is caps, bro?
Just a little penny stock. I feel like I don't even know what that news is. I don't know. I probably shouldn't trade it. Caps.
Cap.
That's caps.
Capstone Holdings CFYE 5 minutes ago says Capstone Holding revenue 46.9 million, gross margin expands to 23%. Damn, definitely mover, dude.
Mover, Red.
I'm out of freaking NYSE.
What did it pull back to? Oh, 530?
Yeah. I'm like, you know what? I'm taking my green. Come up, Caps. Come on. Don't flush on me now. You son of a gun.
Son of a gun. First 1 minute candle to make a new high could be important on caps. I might buy just to play around with it. Just because momentum's so freaking strong.
Well, I mean,
Got big buyers.
pretty high.
And it's shortable.
I think that today, yeah, we already had the thing with this NYSC. Like I said, I wasn't really thinking it would continue from the after hours move. It did. I didn't think it would break 5 really that cleanly, right? So I didn't take that trade there. Then I got in on this micro pullback here under 6, and it went to 640, but it didn't. I don't know. It didn't really like. It didn't go parabolic. It's kind of. That was it. So was red on it, green on it. Didn't really make much, as you could see right here, P&L. So and I took bigger positions, partly because I felt like, all right, we've got something really moving. Maybe we are in a hotter market. Had a good day yesterday, so let's.
Oh my God.
See it. But then that just didn't really pan out. So yeah, I don't know. But I think on the other hand, it's still early, and so we had the news yesterday at 8 a.m. that gave us the move on Bird. So, I mean, well, let's just see what happens. If something starts to pull away, but I'm not interested in the really cheap ones. I don't do well on these ones, right? So that's wait for something else. So just sitting tight right now.
Touch the 90 MA caps on the 1 minute. MACD's curling.
The new PDT rule goes into effect in about 45 days. No, I would just do it for the LLC. I don't think you would need to do it outside of that. The minimum account size is coming down from $25,000. Well, the PDT rule is going away. In fact, it's gone in 45 days. But the minimum account size for margin trading is $2,000. So it'll be a $2,000 minimum to day trade. It's the first change to the pattern day trader rule in 25 years.
Gosh, bro. NYSE
So
is moving.
it's a pretty it's a pretty big deal. I have a video about it here. I'll post.
No, it just dropped.
But no, I'm not going to be back at full size today. I might, if something, I need to build a cushion first. I thought that first trade, like I thought we were already good, but I got to build a cushion and then I can then and get oriented with sizing up.
Dude, Caps, you are killing me, bro.
It won't make sense to have cash accounts after this change goes through, but it's still about 45 days away. Lightspeed does accept international clients, but why don't you guys keep the broker talk as much as you can over in the lounge, and in the main room we'll keep talking about possible trade ideas.
Oh my gosh. Come on, Caps. Is that all, dude? 91 cents, 95. Volume was low. Oh my gosh, bro. What the fuck? Is Caps gonna do anything or what? Just gonna fail. Doji me, bro. Give me a Doge. There we go. Come on, dude. What's up?
I just saw the most ridiculous meme.
What is it?
Damn, look at all these guys. Everybody's winning.
How much?
Everybody's posting their P&L like all at once for some reason. Everybody's making like 1,000 and stuff. Pretty good. This guy made 20K, but I bet it's in the sim. Can't tell.
Gosh. Gotta be fucking kidding me, dude. Caps, you piece of shikey dykes. You're garbage, bro. Get your ass up, dude. That ain't ain't no micro pullback on caps, that's for sure. Bro, I love this stuff, bro. I freaking love it, dude. I'm thinking about getting some Tesla 425 strike pricing.
Strike it.
Cause it's like 86 cents and then just drop 10K in there, bro. Let's go. Here we go. Here's a push. Give me this. Give me this. Come on, baby.
Caps. That's caps.
Thick, Come on, dude. Here we go. Now in the green, bro. And now we're in the red.
That was just Chop City up until that point.
Freaking golly, dude. I don't like the order book on freaking Weeble, dude.
The level 2?
Yeah, the level 2 order book.
It's ass cheeks.
I just don't vibe with it. Come on, you gotta break on
Yeah,
day.
It's not very easy to read. Not very easy to look at. Kind of like Mac's wife.
Do you think Caps is gonna run? It's 5 million in free float. It's pretty thickly traded, I feel like.
Market, give us please some clean resolutions. Need them.
Come on, market gods. Give me some freaking green today.
Come on, market goats. I'm waiting.
Give me that green. Come on, hit that 9 EMA. Give me something, bro.
Are we all the way done at least?
Your part is, yeah. I got some little pickup stuff I have to do still.
Damn. I'm never going back. Kind of sucks.
You've done your job really well, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Come on, bro. Caps is playing with my heart, homie. Short interest on caps, 120,000. March 31st.
So this might be our last meal, huh?
The grill.
I am already eating it.
My final meal will be my own blood as I choke on it, breathing my last breath after a legendary battle with a superior opponent. That will be a satisfying meal indeed.
You gotta be shitting me right now, dude. I do like the charting with Trader View a lot better.
Yeah.
NYSC 575 just broke the trend line, top trend line. Oof, selling off pretty hard. Dealing with caps here, man. Fuck. So when is a good double bottom, bro?
Double bottom?
Yeah, like a double. You know how they say, oh, it's a double bottom. Blah, blah,
Yeah,
blah.
double bottom's good because you bounce off the support.
But if it breaks through double bottom, then it's like shit or what?
Yeah, basically. Volume's cooked on this MYSE guy. Sucks.
Come on now. Come on. Don't drop on me. Don't drop on me. Shoot up. This is taking forever.
Shoot up like a heroin addict.
Say what?
I just said shoot up like a heroin addict.
Bro, hella heroin right now, bro.
Hero Brian. Not really like
Yeah,
it.
micro pullbacks are sometimes dip trades. They sometimes are. Not always, but they can be.
Mac D bought the curl in the 1 minute.
Yeah. True that.
Caps is
Could buy this
killing,
dip.
bro.
Could buy that dip at 556.
Caps
A little
is
dippy.
killing me, bro. The fuck?
That's caps.
Yo, what the hell, dude? Guess I'm out of caps? Which sucks.
All caps.
Really wanted caps.
Alright, I have made a little bit of an observation, and I've thought this before, but I'm not sure I've ever actually put it into words.
Oh my gosh, bro, this just sucks assholes. Yo, percentage is crazy. If I pressed the wrong hotkey, shit, I would have wasted all my buying power for the day.
Wait, what?
For yo, Cap MYSE is moving, bro.
So this one, WSHP,
We
breaking
ship.
through the double top, but it has the ascending resistance line, trend line up here, as you can see.
Yes, it does.
And because it's a bit more expensive, it does have bigger spreads, somewhat bigger spreads. So it can be a little hard to jump in and jump out when you've got a big spread.
Yeah, no kidding.
Nice, Joseph. Good job.
Joseph?
Yosef. Caps, you suck balls, bro.
There it is.
So it pops up, but then there's a seller up there at 1940.
Yeah. MEMX.
Oh, bro.
And that seller's like right at this ascending resistance line.
Reshot,
So now
man.
it's hitting that level.
What the fuck?
Oh. Just demolished it. I can't even buy 500 shares of this.
See how it just dropped $1 a share in basically like a blink of an eye, from a high of 2065 back down to 1980s. This is the challenge with this price range.
Jesus.
So it can work, but you get it going the wrong way and you can be in a jam. You see that seller keeps kind of moving their order up a little bit.
Yo, we shop is flying, bro.
Flying.
That'll be a $30 freaking stock.
Oh, I think hesitating on this one's probably not a bad idea.
I'm still watching Caps. Watching my Red School Redder.
You've got a red shooting star candle there on the 1 minute.
CTNT is garbage.
Garb.
Man, I wish we could have a stop loss here. DGNX. Oh, that's a high float.
Yeah.
Caps. 3.71 million shares. Wow. Don't tell me this about the freaking just go. Yo, what
Go,
the
go, go.
fudge?
I don't really trust this.
Which one? I'm in Caps right now.
I mean, we shop.
Oh. If it was me, if it pulled back around 1863, I would get in. This one, I was just waiting for the freaking. I thought this would be a micro pullback, and then I was like, oh shit, it's not.
Wow. Things up over 100%. What the heck? What is GB? No. DGNX. There's a pretty good micro pullback there, too.
Yeah, but it's freaking one of those ones where they
High
do
float.
reverse split. Look at that float, bro. 51.
Huge float. Redonk.
Redonk, redonks. Holy crap, bro. Come on, Caps.
That's caps.
6 o'clock, man.
Helping keep a kind of container around the emotions where you can have emotions, but they don't overflow into your trading generally requires using smaller position sizes for a period of time. And then once you've sort of built up your tolerance to the gains and losses with smaller size, you just continue to gradually increase your size.
Caps is playing with my heart. You know how to read this one, bro. Oh, we shops moving again.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
It was first 1 minute candle to make a new high. We're gonna squeeze through this double top.
High there is 22.74. We're about 40 cents off high a day. There, high.
There it goes.
So as it breaks the high a day, do you get short covering? Does it pull away a little bit more? But you see another seller kind of come back in there, and that sort of shuts it down. Not many people are going to feel comfortable buying, 20,000 shares of a stock like this at the high a day and eating up that seller.
Bonk. Oh my god, bonk. Yes, bonk.
Margin restriction on it just changed at light speed. Now requires 300% collateral to short it. So the high is 24.
Bonk. Oh, there it goes.
Dude, what the fudge?
Now 25, nice.
We shop is ridiculous.
26.
26.
26.45. This thing's going, dude.
Oh, 28?
30?
29, 30.
Whoa!
Now a seller pushing it back down. Another topping
Just
tail.
came down fucking. Oh my god.
Yo, 30
So sort of
bucks,
opened up
dude?
quickly there and
That's
then
$10
got pushed
move.
back down, creating that larger
1,000
topping
shares,
tail.
10 grand. The fudge.
There's the seller at just over 30, moving their order around. There it is again. I don't feel comfortable using more than 10 shares. This is insane. Is it about to come back up? Yeah. Oh, dude, yeah. I really want to trade this, but I really shouldn't. Because that is sketch, dude. Super sketchy.
Yo, that's nuts.
Yeah, as soon as I saw that margin change too, I thought, maybe this, but just thought better of jumping in too high. Wish I had a cushion today to have taken that risk, because that could have been a nice trade.
Somebody said I got my first $5 move in one candle. I'm
So
shaking.
trying to kind of be a sniper here and really be patient.
Yeah, that was insane. We're back up to 30.
Bro, this could be $100 move runner, dude.
32.
Bro, I like getting FOMO
This is insane.
right now, dude.
Me too. I'm getting so FOMO. Dude, oh my god.
What's going on with WeShop?
I don't know. I think it's just a short getting squeezed out. It's about to tap 35. If we get above 35, it's over. It's literally over. I wonder, is Ross like getting a trade ready?
Yo,
Oh, we just broke 35.
Broke 35, bro.
We just broke 35, bro.
35.11.
We're up 300%.
300%.
Wow. Bro, whoa, bro.
There's genuinely a... Dude, there's a spider on my arm. Yo, what the hell?
Wait, for real, for real?
Dude, what the fuck was that?
What?
He's right there now. What kind of spider even is that?
Yo, this is at 40.
It's at 40? I'm trying to kill this spider. It's alive.
It's important to make sure you're scaling out and
Oh, bro,
taking
you
your
got a
profit
real
off the table.
spider?
God, man.
Right there's like a 5-point drop. 10-point drop actually. We hit no, almost, not quite. High of 42, back down. 7-point drop. So you've got to make sure you're scaling out.
Spider on my arm. Not cool, man. What are we at now? What? Dude, I just missed that whole thing. What do we go to?
42.
42.50. What's the flow? 1 million shares.
So now you've got another topping tail candle. And that seems like the top there for the time being.
Yeah, it's pulling back quite a lot.
I'm not getting filled.
Where does the
Now we're
selling
down 10
stop?
points off the high.
Gosh, dude.
It's insane. Did you buy any?
Bro.
I mean, the thing is, we're at a
What?
price range where not many people can afford to even buy
Everything's
10,000
dropping
shares.
off, bro. Nah,
It's
dude,
$300,000.
fuck, I wish I
It's a
could
huge
buy
position.
that.
So volume starts declining. So the liquidity's not as
I'm
not
only
as
up
good,
753,
which means you've got
dude.
bigger spreads.
Ah.
And that's where I'm struggling to feel like I'm unable to manage risk on it because the spreads are a little too big.
I gotta take a break. Oh, damn.
So,
What happened?
you know, if I'd had a cushion on the day, I might have been able to
I don't
do this,
respect my
but
stop loss.
I know
I
that
was up
when I'm trading
1300,
stocks
now
above
I'm only
$20,
up
I am more
753.
prone to have big losses because of the way you already have bigger spreads to
Up
begin
4%
with,
on
and
the
then
day.
if it swings the wrong way on you, suddenly you're,
That sucks.
you know, you could be down $1 or $2 a share, get smoked.
Yo, I forgot to read my mantra, dude. Shiz.
Did you get smoked on it? Did you buy or something?
42. Is
Yeah, I
there a
bought
line in the
59.
We're
sand?
genuinely coming back up right now.
The high kind of thing.
There's a hidden seller at 39. Are we gonna
I
break
don't
that?
know.
You know,
Just
I'm
came
gonna
down
go
2
with that.
points.
Probably, but
too risky, bro.
again, the spreads are what's holding me.
Bro, look at that.
Holding me
That
back.
went up freaking.
We just hit a high there of 39, and now we're back at 34. I just
It
don't think I
opened
can
up at
do it.
$11.
I think it's
Imagine
better
going
for me to
in
wait for the next one.
That's 11,000 shares.
Somebody
Holy
bought
shit.
200 shares and traded this thing.
200
Holy,
shares.
dude. Gotta have huge nuts for that. I could only afford like 250 shares.
At $11 times 100, what is that? 1,100. Bro, that is freaking.
Is this thing just gonna? This thing's gonna rip to like $100 at the open. I swear.
What the fudge is up with WeShop? Oh yeah, bro, short interest. It was at 56 mil, bro.
We just broke that low.
56,000.
Or we double bottomed actually. I think we just double bottomed on it. Yeah, double bottom like basically to the cent.
31.60.
Yeah. So double bottom there. Is this a bear flag for a move lower? Spider on my arm though. Spider on my arm. I literally missed that, dude. I didn't even get to see it because I was just freaking out. Not cool. I don't think there's going to be any more opportunity this morning, unfortunately. Which is all right. Is it coming back? No, I think it's going to decline. It's probably the top. I'm going to be back.
I think the good news, even if I didn't capitalize on this particular one, is that
patience, precision, and discipline.
there's definitely some strong momentum today.
I execute with hesitation. I protect my capital like it's my lifeline because it is. Losses are lessons, not failures. Consistency over emotion, process over outcome. I am becoming a professional trader, one trade at a time. I think, act, and execute like $1 million trader. I am calm under pressure and disciplined in chaos. I do not chase, I attract high probability setups. I respect risk, and risk rewards me. Every day I sharpen my edge, my mindset, and my execution. My habits create my income. My discipline builds my freedom. I'm building a life of freedom, mastery, and control. Trading is my vehicle, but discipline is my foundation. I show up every day, even when it's hard. I delay gratification for greatness. Here to gamble. I'm here to dominate the crowd. open range breakout. VWAP.
Yeah, the high on NYSE there of this current little pop is 547. It's got to get over like 578, I think, in terms of like where's the pivot, where it has a chance at retesting the highs. It's still a little ways away.
Coin. Coin. Massive move yesterday. Wow, that was a beautiful move. Let's see here. Tesla, my friend. It's the high there. It's the low there. Shopify.
Well, my discipline is, it varies. There are times where I'm able to be more disciplined and times where I'm less disciplined. Um, I think it's like anything else, but it's, when for me, when I face the pressure of you either are disciplined or you're going to suffer a lot of pain, I get disciplined, and because I'm already in a drawdown, I had to tighten the reins a little bit and make sure it's not what I want, but it's the result of being undisciplined for a few days. And so now I've got to kind of buckle down and work on rebuilding. And the fact is, if I can, I mean, it's frustrating because obviously one trade like MYS or WHSP, whatever it is, I mean, I could have made 50 grand on that. I mean, in theory, right? It's such a big move and da 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 da, but, um, you know, at the same time, that type of stock is high risk. It can be high reward, and I just couldn't take the risk. I couldn't. It just every spot I looked at getting in, I was like, I could lose 4,500 on this in an instant. I was thinking 1,500 share position times three, 4,500 shares, if I kind of scale in, and I just didn't feel like I could, do it. So a little bit of fear there. So fear right now is dominating my trading a little bit more. When greed is dominating the trading a little bit more, just on that spectrum, I'm going to be more aggressive and a little less disciplined. And that can also coincide with really hot markets, and I can do really well being a little less disciplined. So, it's very fluid. So we've got about 5 minutes to the bottom of the hour. I'm not sure if we're going to get something else that pops up and becomes obvious. Sometimes a day after a big move can be tricky. Traders are eager to trade something, but it's a little dispersed attention and just not not easy.
Yo, how we looking?
Oh, not bad. Nothing really going on, honestly.
You there?
Can you hear me? Hello? Hey. Can you hear me?
Gap and go with the open. It's
Can you hear me?
possible.
Hello?
It's a little too early to say for sure. We still have some time.
Hello? Yo.
Still watching MYSC though. It's the leading gainer, so that still has some potential. I think WHSP has much more of a clear top. Like that was a parabolic squeeze to 42 or whatever, and now it's going to take a long time for it to maybe curl and come back up, and I don't know that it would. So now it's time to sort of switch gears and either, I do think MYSC still has potential, but it's sort of, in range right here, and this is a choppy area to try to be getting in and out. The break of the $0.50, could it work? Yeah, it could, but it's got so much volume. There's people taking profit up here. You can see they're selling orders. So I don't know. We'll just see.
Yeah.
Yo, can you hear me?
I cannot hear you. Never ever.
Hello?
Bird.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Bird continuing this kind of like
Hello?
slow grind back up,
Yo.
which is in the shadow of
Let him cook. Let him cook now.
Let him cook now.
Let him cook.
Can you hear me now?
What? 50,000 shares.
What? Can you hear me now, bro? Yo. Hello? Oh my gosh. Check, 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 check. Hello? 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 Messing with this, bruh. What just happened? Come on, this cold.
Let him cook.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
yeah, I
Plug
sold
in
on the
my
bid when it
little
didn't pull away.
adapter. It don't work for some reason.
What'd you say?
I try and plug in my adapter and it doesn't work.
Oh.
So yeah, you know, I'm kind of, could I just have used smaller size in the case of whatever WSHP? I could have, and I would have broken the ice, and as it turns out, but I don't know. I'm not always good at. I'm kind of sometimes like, if I don't feel comfortable with my normal size, I should just not even trade it at all. Because it stopped going higher. I was looking for it to immediately go to 65.75, and then because it stopped, I just got out.
It's over. It's over. No trades.
So just, you
Yeah,
know,
I'm
kind of
done.
sometimes
Small
when
caps,
something
bro.
hesitates a
Prepping
little
for
bit under a
freaking
level, holding
CR
back, holding back, holding back,
options.
then I just look for that quick break.
Yo, what's moving?
Oh.
Info,
Cheaper. But
acquisition strategy. It's still too cheap for me, but
macro pullback there.
there's a little bit of an AI tie-in there. But I'm not trading that.
Unfo?
Can we break 120? Big sellers. There we go. 121.
Watch it pull back. Is it still? Oh, it's still moving, bro.
$130. Topping tail. It's caps at. Damn, Caps rolled over hard.
I know. Fuck Caps.
ONFO.
On full, shareholders approve reverse split, expand capital flexibility.
Form 8K. I gotta go. I'll see you later.
Alright, dude.
Call me up when you make 50K today.
Shit.
See you.
Alright, bro. I'll talk to you soon.
Peace.